எங்கேயும் எப்போதும் சங்கீதம் சந்தோஷம் ராத்திரிகள் வந்துவிட்டால் சாஸ்திரங்கள் ஓடிவிடும் காலையில் ஜப்பானில் காஃபி மாலையில் நியூயார்க்கில் கபரே அங்கே I'm feeling like a clown now, which I don't do at all artistic.
That's fun.
I just sing holding a mic like ra 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 dee, oh. This is the maximum. आगे में बंधा चला है ऐसे जैसे कोई ओ ऐसे जैसे कोई दीवाना ऐसे जैसे कोई दीवाना मैं नहीं जाना तूने नहीं जाना तेरे मेरे वரை நனைகிறதே உலா போகும் மேகம் கனா காணுமே விழா காணுமே வானமே இளைய நிலா பொழிகிறது இதயம் வரை நனைகிறது தரரிரரர தீரரிருருப்ப திரரரபப்பரிரரர தேதத தேரே தாரேரரம் தேரரரே ஹே ஹே தாரரரத்த தாரர ஷபரி வதரர தீரரிரரத்த தரரரபப்ப.
வணக்கம். ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா சொல்வாங்க the show must go on. ஆனா இது கொஞ்சம் கன்ஃபியூசிங்கான விஷயம் இருக்கு. What is the show without music? Logically சொல்வாங்க music has 7 notes. ஆனா magically சொல்வாங்க music is all about 3 simple alphabets S P B. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு ஷாக்கிங்கான ட்ராஜிக்கான நியூஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு heartfelt condolences to the family, to the friends, to the fans, to the music fraternity and to music itself. இன்னைக்கு பார்க்கும்போது all the fans, all the well-wishers, all the music fans are celebrating and sharing their lovely memories of SPB sir. அதே ஒரு ஃபீல்ட்ல today we have with us a fantastic ace photographer, arguably one of India's best, and he had the good fortune of shooting a lovely photo session with SPB sir. So இன்னைக்கு behind the camera SPB sir oda sila stories irukku, sila memories irukku, and we recap all of this together and also speak a touch about the yellow and a lot more. Vanakkam and welcome to the Muthoot Group principal team partners of the Chennai Super Kings presents Beyond the Boundary. இன்னைக்கு on the boundary line we have with us Mr. G. Venkatram. Vanakkam sir, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
I'm fine, thank you.
Firstly, thank you sir. நீங்க வந்திருக்கீங்க. இன்னைக்கு when you are seeing so many photos, எல்லா photos என்ன share ஆகுது of SPB sir, நீங்க எடுத்த ரீசென்ட்டான photos தான் sir. அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு போட்டோஸ் இருக்கு, உங்களுக்கு இது ஒரு மெமரிஸ் இருக்கு சார். ஒவ்வொரு போட்டோ பின்னாடி ஒரு மெமரி இருக்கு, ஒரு கதை இருக்கு. and when we see the videos that you have kindly shared with Chennai Live, அது பார்க்கும்போது it's an unplugged version of fun, frolic, energy, enthusiasm which defines SPB sir. So I hand it over to you. Tell me a bit about in the magical moments. You have shot with so many SPB sir.
SP Charan got in touch with me. He's a good friend for many years. So he said, we need to shoot that. Romanala plan pannirukkom. So that's how this whole photo shoot happened. And the day we planned the shoot with SPB sir, very energetic than solla mudiyum. The very first time I met him earlier, but during the photo shoot preliminary meetings about the clothes and the styling, he was so enthusiastic. Let's try different things. I was a little shocked. Usually you expect someone above 60 to kind of lay off a bit.
Anna 60, who's 60? He's like a 40-year-old little boy.
So the amount of enthusiasm our guitar is amazing. So anyway, we planned some very interesting attires for him for the photo shoot, and we fixed up the date. And the day happened. I mean, I thought, okay, I've shot musicians, I've shot people from
Actors,
different...
sports
anyway,
people.
so I thought, okay, it will be, of course, SPB sir is SPB sir, because we've all grown up with, you know, songs that we've, whether you like it or not, you heard it from your childhood,
Yeah.
from a baby, you know.
Yeah.
So that is something nostalgic about the fact that I was shooting with him that day. And then slowly he started opening up about his personal life, how he started off, and what was his first song, and things like that. Engenga recording panirukanga apdi ipdi. So it was very interesting, right from ex-Chief Minister MGR days, our story, he sung for almost all of them. So how we was fortunate enough to start singing for Mr. M.S. Viswanathan Andamari. I mean, I didn't expect it. Slowly he started opening up and giving me a lot of insights about his life, his experiences. But so the photo shoot, apart from that, I was discovering a singer, a very passionate person, a very what you call, though he's flamboyant, he's fun. There's a very something inside him which is very soft, which came out while I shot. So when I was shooting him, I was trying to see how I could see different perspectives of him,
Correct.
how to bring it about in a picture. You know, it's just difficult.
Yeah.
You can talk a lot, you can say a lot, but
அந்த ஒரு still frame ல வந்து ஒரு கதையை சொல்றது.
அவரோட personality வெளியில எடுத்துன்னு வரணும்னா அது கஷ்டமான விஷயம். But anyway, we tried South Indian veshti, அப்புறம் very
The North Indian touch, formal jacket, suits,
outfits, and he fitted into it. So shoot பண்ணும்போது he said, look, I can't pose. I will sing, you shoot. I said, I'm not even complaining, sir.
Why would you?
I'm not complaining. Please. So that's how he said, no, I will sing abdinaru. I said, please sir, sing. And no mic. I mean, chuma or mic.
I know, it was just for the set property.
But, and I didn't know my studio had a, what do you call, a good acoustic system. It was just a studio with lights and you know how a studio is. But to be frank, when he started singing, I had goosebumps. Because it is not an acoustically lovely place, anything, but the way his voice resonated in that space, all of us, I mean, we're all like goosebumps.
I know.
How can this man, I think he was about 70 when we shot him, in 70 or not, the kind of energy and the youth in, I mean, some of the, and he was singing some of the older songs, which he sang some 40 years back. And those
sounds so fresh,
and his voice was so fresh. I mean, I couldn't believe I could hear. So that's when I asked my assistant, just shoot. Just shoot. This is something that will, I mean, I want people to see.
Or unplugged version.
Exactly.
It's never happened so much
I want people to see this great singer. I mean, they won't see this. They must have seen him on stage and stuff where they have the right kind of, you know, acoustics, the right kind of mics, the right kind of amplifiers to accentuate the voice. But here, nothing. And the way he sang and the way and he would for the photo shoot he would go overboard. Obviously he's trying to help me to get some nice shots.
Cinematic feel.
Then after that he'll say, I don't sing like this on stage. In fact, recording is a little more subtler where we just quiet. I don't even shake my hands sometimes. I mean, but for the photo shoot he was a rock star. I mean, he was like killing it.
அது தெரியுது சார். ஒவ்வொரு ஃப்ரேம்ல வந்து ஒரு லைஃப் இருக்கு, ஒரு கதை இருக்கு, ஒரு எனர்ஜி இருக்கு. Maybe your room was not acoustic, ஆனா ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து which was absolutely right வந்து.
And another thing is there were so many youngsters. I mean, the stylists were all 20s and 25s. But the way he, you know, connected with all of them, and they were so enthusiastic. First they were worried, okay, how can we style such a senior, you know, person? But when it all went with such, but basically a fantastic human being, I should say. I mean, it was an experience of my lifetime, I should say.
Definitely, sir. I'll tell you one விஷயம் நான் சொல்றேன். As a fan of music and SPB, sir, I want to thank you for giving us wonderful shots of SPB, sir, because அது வந்து these would be the memories that we hold on along with his music.
I mean, that was such a, I mean, I'm happy I had a chance to do that.
I think it's perfectly justice done for that moment. Tell me, sir, அந்த environmentல வந்து நீங்க ஒரு unplugged version கேட்டிருந்தீங்க. It was like a ticket-free concert for you. Amazing it was. If you had to describe SPB, sir, as a person, as a singer, வந்து ஏகப்பட்ட விஷயம் இருக்கு, sir. 50,000 plus songs almost. ஒரு unique-ஆன record. I don't know if you all know this, but unique-ஆன record of, he recorded 21 songs in under 12 hours. In 16 different languages, Indian language. they won some of the records, but
Amazing.
it's all the memories, the melodies. If you had to describe SPB sir and say a few things about him that people don't know.
See, it's not that I've known him too long,
Yeah.
but the fact that very few times I met him and I interacted with him, I have a feeling that I've known him for a longer time. Because that is because, of course, his voice has
we've been growing
yeah,
up
exactly.
with that voice.
So then to connect to a person who's been behind this, you know, because some of the memories that we have in life will go with a particular song. If you're depressed, there are certain songs.
Yeah.
When you're happy, there are certain songs. When you're romantic, there are certain songs which, I mean, millions of people have experienced that throughout. I mean, whether it's Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, whatever. And what's amazing is to transcend languages, it's very difficult because if you're a Tamilian, then you have an accent moment you do something
Correct.
in another thing.
Yeah.
But when you see a synergy as far as Kannada, Tamil and Telugu,
Hindi.
there's no, even Hindi.
Yeah.
So there's no way you can, any song for, and I asked him, he said, what song should I sing? And I asked him, sir, from Ek Duje Ke Liye. I mean, because Kamal sir, so he immediately took off. So that, to have a kind of an accent where you're able to, you know, go beyond borders and get people to accept you as their own person is
it's not the pronunciation, I think it's the emotion that he's able to connect with.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
How will you always remember SPB sir? The singer, the person, the zest to live.
I think it's all put together. I think as he's an amazing human being. Because it's not only me, but I've seen the way he interacts with a lot of other people, you know. The way he interacts, the way he understands things, and the way he cooperates and tries to get the best out of it. I think that is amazing.